When the hazard cannot be eliminated or contained, controls need to be put in place to reduce the risk of injuries or illnesses for workers. A safety talk is a hands-on way to remind workers of these controls, how they work, and that health and safety are important factors on the job. Safety talks or toolbox talks are great ways to deal with specific problems in the workplace. They do not replace formal training, however. Each safety talk addresses a specific hazard. You can use them to remind workers about the health and safety requirements for the tools, equipment, materials, and procedures they use every day or for a particular part of the job. You give safety talks because you are responsible for advising workers about the existing or potential dangers to their health and safety. Using safety talks demonstrates both the employer's and workers' commitment to health and safety. A safety talk usually takes about 5 minutes to present. Let's look and review 5 tips that makes a safety talk work.